Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To arrange all open workbook windows in Excel on screen when you have multiple workbooks open, click the Arrange All button that appears in the Window button group on the View tab in the ribbon. In the Arrange Windows dialog box that appears, then select an option button to choose the layout for the opened workbooks. The options are tiled, horizontal, vertical, or cascade. Select the desired option and then click the OK button to apply the arrangement to the opened windows. The tiled layout shows the workbooks as smaller windows arranged like tiles on a floor. This view is useful if you need to see data from all the opened workbooks simultaneously. The horizontal and vertical choices are like the tiled option, but only stack the opened workbooks either horizontally or vertically across the main Excel screen. The Cascade option helps when you want to quickly switch between opened workbooks while maximizing the viewable space for each one. Selecting this option cascades the open workbooks from the upper left corner of your screen down to the lower right corner, overlapping each other, so that you can view the title bars of each workbook. The active workbook is lowest and foremost in the cascaded stack. You can then click the title bars of the other workbooks in the stack to switch between them. Alternatively, you can also use the Switch Windows button in the Window button group on the View tab in the ribbon to switch between the opened workbooks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.